use another field of ecology. It's not different from other fields. What the variables, what you said. There's one main thing to do with polynology. It's the polymer. Basically, anything that can go wrong with the definition, which can alter what you're looking at. It's created en masse, loads of it knocking about. It's all about the environment at which it is deposited, because I don't know, are the trees there, is it tree filtered? Is it, say if it's in the desert, if you water a section of the desert for an extended period of time, you get all sorts of trees growing there, but they're not going to be indigenous to the area because it's such a wide open space. It's going to be, the wind's going to be blowing it all over the show. Look at what I like to call figure 1, this little thing here. It's usually fluvial conditions which pollen is deposited, because obviously the water catches it, just drops down, you get like a stratified layering of the pollen, which is why in peat bogs, that's like the main bit which a few of us know will be on a field trip. Also lakes, but depending on the size of the lake, like if you get into the Great Lakes up in Canada, then that's it, obviously. Because some pollen's buoyant, it's going to get blown over the surface, and it's not really indigenous to the actual area. There are a lot of other aspects to follow there. Is basically like the actual biology of the trees. How much pollen does each species create? You might get one tree which creates loads of pollen. Another tree might be just as sparse, but it only creates a bit of pollen. Which is something you've got to determine. You've got to have an understanding of the background of actually the species in order to understand what's going on when you plot them all in a pollen diagram. So using the data, like I said, it is a proxy, it is multiproxal. I don't know if that's a word, I just made it up a lot. But to lay the words out, which I've mentioned in the overview, they're used to program DCA, detrended correspondence analysis, which is basically a program to plot everything in, plot all your variables. Like they had one study where there was something like 1,821 species of plants. It's time consuming, you put it all in, but once you put it in, the computers work for you, just spits out a load of gradients depending on the variables you're looking at. Is it like wetland dominated, is it dryland dominated, I don't know, like whatever you want to look for, it comes out and it'll just give you the specific trends that you're looking for. Like figure 2, just this bit here, that's very simple because pollen diagrams can be massive, but because we've got all sorts of data that we're showing you, so depending on the depth, you're looking at the age, every type of pollen that you're looking at. So whereas this one's got about 10, you can get ones that have got about 40 to 50, and it ranges from trees to shrubs to grasses.